Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone who relies on their brother PTouch labeler, the BestCH AC adapter. This isn't just any power supply. It's designed to be a reliable and safe companion for a wide range of brother PTouch models, including the PT1800, PT1830, PT1880, PT1290, PT2030, PT1300, PT18R, PT350, and PT1960. One of the first things that stands out about this adapter is its incredible versatility. With a worldwide input voltage range of 100–240 VAC at 50–60 Hz, it means users can literally take their labeler almost anywhere in the world and power it up without needing a voltage converter. This is a huge convenience for travelers or those who might use their labeler in different international settings. But beyond just being globally compatible, the BestCH AC adapter truly shines in its commitment to safety. The manufacturer has clearly prioritized user and device protection. It boasts a design that ensures no noise during operation, maintains a low temperature, and crucially, eliminates risks like spontaneous combustion, explosions, or fire hazards. This peace of mind is invaluable, especially when dealing with electronic devices. Furthermore, it incorporates multiple layers of automatic protection: overload cutoff, over-voltage cutoff, automatic thermal cutoff, and short-circuit protection. These features work in tandem to safeguard not only the adapter itself, but more importantly, the connected brother PTouch labeler from any potential electrical mishaps. Another critical aspect highlighted is its voltage consistency. The adapter is engineered to deliver a stable output without any noticeable fluctuations, whether the device is powering on, actively transmitting, receiving, or even powering off. This consistent voltage supply is vital for the longevity and optimal performance of sensitive electronic products like labeler printers, preventing them from potential damage due to unstable power. It truly protects your electronic products from destruction, ensuring they operate smoothly every single time. And if all that wasn't enough, the BestCH AC adapter comes with a solid 2-year manufacturer warranty. This demonstrates a strong confidence from the company in the quality and durability of their product. Plus, they offer a 30-day return policy, giving users ample time to test it out and ensure it meets all their needs. It's clear they've got your back, providing excellent support and assurance. In summary, for anyone looking for a dependable, safe, and globally compatible power solution for their brother PTouch labeler, the BestCH AC adapter appears to be an outstanding choice. Its robust safety features, consistent power delivery, and generous warranty make it a highly recommended accessory.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.